Hi guys, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces here. I'm joined by my daughter. She's one of my 4 daughters, one of my 6 kids, and we're eager to share with you today for Prodigal Pieces Kids Create. If you missed our last episode, it was around holiday time, Christmas time, and it was a fun project, easy to do that you could change for the seasons, just depending on what you want to create. Again, today we have some fun with some buttons. I don't know about you, but I love digging through my mom's buttons, my grandma's buttons. It seemed as if each one had a story to share, came from some garment or something. I love to hear about it. So we're going to be using buttons today. You can use old buttons, new buttons, whatever you've got. Even beads if you want to too. What I did was I went out to my wood stash, grabbed just a basic pine board, and she already stained and painted, gave it kind of a worn wear. Tutorial over on my blog prodigalpieces.com. We'll have the product list below, and we're going to take a different spin on it to show you how to do at least one of these crafts, and we'll give you some examples of others at the end too. So we hope you enjoy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, wasn't that fun? She took some old buttons, had some fun gluing with some different crafts. You don't have to use hot glue, by the way. You could use a tacky glue. This is just a faster setup. But really, we have 3 different crafts here, all created with something that we had here at home. So there's no need to break the bank and spend big bucks to have fun. And we highly encourage some kid fun with either parents, kids, grandparents, neighbors. Get anybody involved. It's fun. Let us know below what you think. What's your favorite? Is it the tree, the pumpkin, the hello fall sign, or what else would you have created? We'd love to hear your feedback. Also, don't forget, all the products we used are down below, and also the link to the blog post where we have the details fully laid out for you in written form if you prefer it that way too. Stop over. We have a free newsletter that comes right to your inbox along with some goodies, and just can't wait to show you what's next.
Stay tuned for the next Prodigal Pieces Kids Create. Bye.
Bye.